So this is an Enphase IQ battery 5P, and it was brought in for more like a configuration, I think. So basically, this is an ESS system, an energy storage system, and the way it works is it has a separate control system that takes both PV input and AC input and then AC output. And this is basically the battery, and this is a string inverter, so it has 6 of these guys, which can take about 70 to 100 volts DC and convert directly to 240 volt AC. And it has 6 of them stringed together. And as we tear this down gradually, you see how they actually work. From here you can see DC connection, and from here you see AC connection. So basically it takes the DC input and then generates an AC output here, and all these guys are parallel together, which means the DC are coming from the same point, and the AC are going to the same output. All of them are parallel together to give about 6,000 watts thereabouts. And this is the battery. It's about 5 kilowatts from here. So it's 5 kilowatt lithium battery. It's a life four system, and yeah, we're turning this down to see if we can actually configure this to a 48-volt system without the inverter system. So we are taking out everything that has to do with the inverting system, the BMS, whatever, and then we'll reconfigure this and install an aftermarket BMS. So that's basically what we are doing today. So we'll start with these screws. Basically, we'll need small star screwdrivers and this. Under here we have to unplug this switch. This is basically like a switch, and then it illuminates when you turn it on. Okay. And we unplug the battery positive and negative terminals, and you can now take this off. So you see how it all comes together. So basically this is the AC side, and if I unplug this is the main AC cable going out of these 2 guys. It plugs in here, and then this is the output and input. So these 2 lines actually serve as both charging and inverting. We have an AC line here, which are going to disconnect from here. So now we unplug this. One cool thing I love about their system is, see the way this is dangling. It's actually not going to come off. So yeah, we'll keep this aside, and then we'll proceed with remaining tear down. So it's time to actually switch tools. And switch tools again. This is the point where we cannot return back to the original state because everything is going out. We see it. It's more like the point of no return. Slowly. So these are the string inverters that come with it. This is the IQ8 D series. You have the IQ7, IQ6, and IQ5, I think. So takes DC from here, which is the two positive and negative, and then converts directly to AC. So if it does not see the communication with the control box, this will keep blinking red. If you supply positive and negative here, you keep seeing red here and you will not get an AC output here because it's not communicating properly to the control box. So these guys are pretty useless this way without the communication port. So basically that's everything here. So this is just the hub where they all plug in. We have three here and then we have three here. And these are the six string inverters, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here basically we have the wiring. This is for the DC going to the BMS, which means it can charge, taking the PV input as an AC and then charge the battery, and then again take AC input from the grid and then charge the battery also. It does the two of them simultaneously, and this is the main battery cable coming from the battery section here. These are the BMS balance leads and sensor, temperature sensors, and other sensors that is inside. And now we want to see what is inside the battery chamber here. Yeah, I think there's an additional cable here that goes to, I think this one is probably for sensing signal, sending signal in and out, probably to start the inverting or so. I don't know. Guess I'll figure that out later with these guys when I have time. So yeah, that's basically what we have for now. Now, now we need to take our fuel boats. Okay, two yellow box. So here we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we have about 12 batteries, life four batteries, and I think they are probably around 300 amp hour each, or 280 amp hour each. Since we don't have 16, it's supposed to be 48-volt system. But yeah, we'll see what we can get as the overall pack voltage. So we're going to flip this to the other side, and then we'll try loosen it from the other side and have it come out as a whole unit. So that's basically what we're going to do now. And yeah, see how that goes. So yeah, this is like a sneak peek at what is going on inside. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so here we go. This is the battery, and this is the whole house scene. Yeah, that's like everything. This is the battery here. It's like the moment we've been waiting for, and yeah, I think my assumptions were correct. So these are temperature sensors, and I think they actually separated the temperature sensor as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So okay, let me check the viral pack voltage and see what we have. Yeah, I'll just move this aside. Yeah, should stay that way. Okay. So we have 7.9 volts as the overall pack voltage. 7.9 volts. We have total of 24 batteries in series to make this 76 volt battery system. It's a life before battery, which is why it is long, and it's pouch cells that they used. So now what we want to do is we want to try and disassemble this system and then bring it back to 48 volt system, because the owner bought a 48 volt inverter system, which is why we have to take this apart and then break it down to 48 volt system from 72 volts 76 volts. So basically we removed all the bolts holding these guys together, and now they are free. We remove the wiring harness completely. So these are individual balance leads. These red wires are balance leads, while these two black ones are temperature sensors, which is how it is able to tell if any of these batteries is overheating or any of these contact points is overheating. So now we'll go to the other side and then do the same thing, and then we are ready to disassemble the battery. So now we've removed all the balance leads, and now what is left is just the main positive and the main negative, which we are going to remove also, because we still need to rearrange these guys. And from behind, we have a slightly different arrangement, which is this guys. And yeah, so basically it's the same thing, front and back. And yeah, so once I'm done with rearranging it, we'll make another video and then we'll show you guys what it looked like before and then what it's looking like now.